I don't know if you can see with the camera right now, but if you can come in here and show, and what I want to talk about here is these. So whenever we plant spinach and we just throw seeds around, you're going to end up with a lot of plants that come up close together like this. Well, now is the perfect time to start going through and thinning these down to the recommended plantings in our app for square foot gardening. So if you're not familiar with square foot gardening, the concept is basically this. You take each square foot of your garden and you divide it into squares. And you plant those squares according to this system. So this is the seeding square that makes the square foot gardening method easy. And you can lay it down, and then each plant has a recommended spacing, and our app will help guide you through that. So for carrots, it's 16 per square. So you see that the red is 16, so you just put a seed in every red spot. And it also makes it really great for kids, makes it easy for them to learn how to plant. It helps them learn colors and counting. We really like these things for that. So that's what you thin down to. So for spinach, it's 9 per square, which is every yellow. And I would go through and just basically thin down to that spacing. So whenever this is full grown, it needs to have at least 3 inches, 2 or 3 inches between it and its counterpart spinach. So now's the time to start going through and thinning those down. I do want to mention that you don't want to just pull them up, because that can disturb the roots of the other plants around it. You want to get some scissors, just come through and cut it at the bottom, and then those are great to use in salads. They are more nutritious than just, a standard spinach leaf that you're used to, because it has all of the nutrition from the seed plus a couple rounds of photosynthesis, and it's all contained in one small package, and it's basically a microgreen at that point. So we like to have a mix of those in our diet, and it makes it easy to have them just by throwing seeds everywhere and then thinning them down.